My name is Paris Alexandra, co-founder of BK Yoga Club, and today we are going to be doing some mindful reflection and movement. So you're going to need a writing utensil and a piece of paper, however that looks for you. If you have a journal, that would be great. And we're going to start with some reflection. So whatever you do to get comfortable, turn on some light music in the background, light a candle. Let's get started. So the first question I'm going to encourage you to ask yourself is, what is holding me back right now? So we'll take a few, like maybe 30 seconds to reflect on anything that may be holding you back currently right now. Maybe it's the stories you told yourself about yourself. Maybe it's not taking that next step. Feel free to reflect on that. Okay, and just take the next few moments to complete your thoughts. What is holding me back? And now, let's take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Maybe close your eyes, reflect on that without judgment. Just observation. Take another inhale and exhale. Just noticing what's happening in your body. Maybe noticing the places in your body that seem a little more tense or stressed. Simply observing, without judgment or attachment to what you think it should be. And now, just thinking of the things that may be holding you back, what are some things that you get to release and let go of? Let's take another deep inhale and exhale. Flutter your eyes open, and we'll take another minute to write what we're letting go of, what we're releasing. That can be a situation, circumstance, relationship, whatever is not serving you in this moment. Maybe it's a thought. Maybe I'm releasing that I'm not good enough. I'm releasing I'm not worthy. So whatever that is, you can take a moment to connect with your breath and sit with it. And then we'll take another minute to just release it onto the paper. Just take the next few moments here to write down your final thoughts, releasing it onto the paper, letting it go. Okay, take your final thoughts, let's put them down, and we're done with our writing portion, reflection. So then, just inviting you now to close your eyes, connecting with your breath, connecting to what you're letting go of. Inviting you now to take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale at the mouth, letting it go. Just observing, scanning your entire body, noticing the toes, your shins, your calves, your thighs, your belly, your heart space, your shoulders, throughout your face, the crown of your head. Just observing your body. When you're ready, take a deep inhale. And at the top, exhale, release, letting everything go. Sigh it out. One more time, inhale. And exhale, let it go. And visualize yourself lighter. Visualize yourself with the burden just sifting away. And gently just bring your shoulders up and back. Just inviting you to release any tension in the shoulders. Just letting it go. Just allow your shoulders to hang and then just begin to kind of circle your head from left to right, right to left. Come back to center. Reach the arms up and over. Maybe open the eyes. Place the right hand down, left hand over the right knee, and lengthen and twist. And lengthen, inhale, and exhale, twist. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, do the same on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach up and over, cross over, then reach forward. And just allow your head to hang. Inhale. Exhale. I'm going to invite you to be kind to yourself as you just let go of a lot. Maybe send yourself kindness and grace. And exhale, slowly rolling up. Reach your arms up and over. And exhale, come down. Now we're going to come into a tabletop position with our hands underneath our shoulders. And then inhale, extend the chest forward. Exhale, scoop the belly, curve the spine. This is your cat and cow. Inhale. Exhale. And then inhale, send the hands forward, the hips back. Come into your child's pose. Just letting it go. Inhale. Exhale, come to tabletop. From here, curl your toes under, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Bend the knees from left to right, right to left. And when you're ready, walk your feet to meet your hands. Come into a forward fold. Bend in the knees. Slowly rolling up vertebra by vertebra. Reaching the arms up and over. Bring your hands at heart center. Connecting to your breath. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. And reach your arms up and over. And exhale, we're going to do vertical stretch on the left side. Inhale, reach. Come back to center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hands to the side. And then we're going to place one hand over our heart, other hand over your belly. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. I release all circumstances, situations, or thoughts that no longer serve me. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Just reach the arms up and over. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Sending yourself grace and gratitude. Peace. Thank you so much for watching BK Yoga Club on Good Moves. Make sure you like, subscribe, and definitely follow us at BK Yoga Club on Instagram. Peace, everybody.